me lead you, not opposite.
You don't want to move.
I was moving back and swaying. I didn't know you want to circle.
Romantic. It's rotten. Oh no, it's not.
There's a bunch of ants.
It's
Come on,
going to you.
I can see the moon
I can.
with the camera.
I can. It's gorgeous. SubhanAllah.
The red arrow turns green arrow, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Then you look right and left over your shoulder, right? When the coast is clear, proceed into the intersection to turn your left.
Okay.
That's it. Get it? I'm camera shy. Just kidding. Let's see. How do I explain this? Into two ways. You see this marketplace you exit on, right?
Yeah.
Before you turn here where the yellow car is, 200 feet, enter a two-way center left turn lane.
Yeah. Can you see me? Wait, hi Mocha. Hi Team Team. Hi Timo. Geniet jy die reën? Geniet jy die reën? Hi.
Uh-oh.
Hi. 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 Hi, cutie. Oh, saying hi to the camera first. Hi. 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 Can I touch you? No? Yes? No? Okay. 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 Bye. Bye. We're at a job fair today.
If you can
Good
find parking.
morning, vlog. I'm not excited, but I'm still tired because I haven't had much sleep. But that's okay. There's a parking over there.
Shucks, okay.
So
How do I make a U-turn?
can we get a coffee on? You can't take drinks inside.
One
I
way.
think this is a one way. You can't make a U-turn here.
Yeah, but
Like drive there, follow that car. Anyways, I don't think it's a good time to talk. All I know is that we are going to a job fair. It's my first time and I'm excited to go there and see what the vibe is.
the vibe
yeah.
is professional.
I mean, duh. So, yeah. Hope you guys are doing well.
So, right?
Yeah, go right.
Good operating, not the
Look. Hey, the way I was making it.
Let's go. Babe.
We're gonna get coffee. We're done with the job fair thing. I'm gonna get coffee because I'm so tired. I didn't sleep at all. No, I did sleep, but just a little. Yeah. My eyes feel tired. Just a moment, I see that there's a drink on the counter, a small drink on the counter on that side. I don't know whose it is.
I'll ask.